We are gonna throw Barbie's house with a giant trebuchet. Welcome back to the shop. I learned two things during our test trial run. First, that very top bar does not hold the weight that we were hoping it would. I'm gonna reinforce that bar with the toughest thing I know. Mathematics and triangles.
Hey you! Yeah, you watching the video right now. Since you're a part of our adventure, is there something that you've always wanted to do, but you can't because you've grown up? Leave a comment and tell us what to do, and if we pick your idea, we're gonna send you some swag.
Okay, the second thing I learned is that our release mechanism was releasing it too late. So in order to get a better sling, we need to release just a hair earlier to get a better arc. Voila! Okay, and just like that, I've supported it so we can put more weight on it. I've fixed the mechanism so we can actually release at a better angle. I will see you out in the field.
We're starting the video off with a pretty bad idea. We decided to take the trebuchet all the way up to the top of the hill so we can launch things even further. Keep your fingers crossed that we actually make it up the hill. By some miracle, we actually made it up the hill.
We are putting 1,000 pounds on this thing. We're gonna try and break it. It is way hot out today. I brought a bunch of different things to throw. Nate doesn't know yet, but I'm gonna have him pick what we're gonna throw right through these cards. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Time sure flies. You'll find out. Wow, time sure does fly.
So we found out that time doesn't actually fly that far.
All right, what's next? What are we doing next? Here we go, here we go. Catch a football. We're not gonna be able to do that. There's no way. There's no way. Okay, I am in the field ready to try and catch a football from a trebuchet. Fire in the hole. One more, I know where that's coming now. Okay, we didn't go very far at all. Here goes round two. Count it! Three cards left. Uber Eats. Did you order Uber Eats? I'll give him a call. We are in the middle of nowhere, but somehow Cole ordered Uber Eats. So, I'm gonna send it to him. Nate, is my food here? Oh, now that's 5-star service. We got 2 cards left. What's it gonna be, Nate? A flower surprise. Yes, it's time. Okay, this was Cole's flower surprise. We found some expired flowers, so we are chucking this thing down the hill. Fire in the hole! Oh, no, it didn't! Oh, no, it didn't!
We were loading up the trebuchet and we noticed the arm was actually bent. When our last launch got snagged, all the weight pulled down on the arm and applied so much pressure, it actually bent the metal.
It's great right here and great out there, but not right there. It's gotta go on this side. I'm here to supervise Nate to make sure he loads the machine correctly this time. Let's do this the right way. Thank goodness Cole brought 2 flower surprises, because first one didn't go so good. Now for the last card, and my personal favorite one. It is Barbie. Is it time? It's time. We're about to throw Barbie's house with a trebuchet. Get in, Barbie. We're going shopping. Oh! I went backwards.
The trebuchet was awesome, but it's time to take the weights off, park the trebuchet, and start our next adventure. Man, we're never gonna grow up.
The end of the trebuchet.